How to replace the main wiring harness on an EX11 e-bike. 1. Turn off the EX11 e-bike. 2. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to release the battery. Once the battery pops up, remove the battery. 3. Remove the 4 screws securing the key lock housing, then remove the housing. 4. Remove the 4 screws securing the battery mount, then carefully remove the battery mount and controller. 5. Disconnect the main wiring harness connector from the controller. 6. Remove the 3 wiring harness protective sleeves. 7. Disconnect all remaining connectors from the main wiring harness. Eight. Carefully pull the main wiring harness out through the cable opening at the front of the frame. Installing the new main wiring harness. 9. Route the connectors of the new main wiring harness through the cable opening at the front of the frame and into the battery compartment. 10. Connect the main wiring harness to the corresponding connector on the controller. 11. Carefully place the controller and wiring harness back into the battery compartment. 12. Reinstall the battery mount and tighten the 4 mounting screws securely. 13. Reconnect all remaining connectors to the main wiring harness, ensuring each connector is connected to the correct matching connector. 14. Reinstall the 3 protective sleeves over the wiring harness. 15. Reinstall the key lock housing correctly and tighten the 4 mounting screws securely. 16. Reinstall the battery. 17. Turn on the power and verify that the display, throttle, brake signals, motor, and other connected electrical components operate normally. Installation complete.